Thinkific Tutorial for Beginners, how to create an online course using Thinkific. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how you can create an online course using Thinkific. So let's get into it. Now Thinkific is an amazing platform that enables you to create an online course for free. So you can, create one course, create one community, 2 spaces, add one administrator, create unlimited number of students, and have a 0 transactional fee on their free version. So it's super effective for people that are just starting out with creating their online courses and that want a very customized and very effective way to deliver their online course. So to get started, all you have to do is head on over to Thinkific and click on Get Started for Free on the top right over here. Now, once you click on Get Started for Free on the top right, you're going to begin your registration. So for that, just enter your email address, and then you will enter a suitable password, and you will just click on Create My Account. Then you will enter a school name, so whatever name you want your course to go by, you can enter that, or you can enter like a broad name, so it could be salon classes or lash tech classes or Jane's salon classes. So let's say I want to name it Jane's Beauty School, and I am just, I haven't started yet. And then you can choose if you have a following or an email list. If you already expect people to sign up beforehand, you can enter how many people, or you can just enter not yet, I'm just starting. Now, after that, you have to enter your course name. So that is going to be the first thing that your people are going to see or recognize your course by. So let's say that I have a first course, which might be how to do, let's say it's Lash Extensions 101. So that is the course name. This might be an introductory tutorial course, so you can name it however you want, whatever kind of knowledge you're delivering. The first course is usually going to be introductory, covering all the basics, so you can enter that. If it's a more expert level course, you can enter that. And then you can choose a brand color, so you can just pick out any color from the color wheel over here, like so. And I'm just picking out this color from over here. And then after that, you can enter what kind of industry that you are teaching in and how much teaching material that you have. So after that, you're just going to click on next, and then you're going to create your instructor profile. So this is how the people that are signing up for your course will view you. And you can enter a photo, you can enter a instructor bio, and you can identify yourself. So if you're a coach, if you're a part of a larger company, if you're creating this on behalf of a client, if you are a blogger or author, if you're a speaker. So let's say that I am a coach, and then I will click on next over here. And then you can enter how many people work in your organization and how much money are you making with this kind of process by selling your courses or your teaching methods. Now, once you have done all of these basic stuff, this will be where you can actually begin building your course. So we have registered, we have completed our sign up, and now we can begin creating our course. Now, to get started, you can simply click on create a course over here and begin by moving into the specific section. So first off, you have a content plan guide. You can open this up, and they actually have a content plan guide, so you can enter specific milestones for people, and this will enable you to just help in breaking down your course. You can enter a course topic, your ideal audience, any kind of roadblocks or struggles that your customers or clients will face, and what are the solutions that you are going to teach them so they can learn that specific course. So to get started, first off, we are just going to go on ahead and create our online course. For that, just click on create your online course over here, and you can just click on manage learning product, click on courses, and we're going to begin developing our first course. So to get started, I am going to click on my lash extensions course, the one that I just named, which is just a draft over here. And this will open up that specific course, and we can begin adding our lessons. So first off, we have our curriculum on the left. On the top left, you will be able to see, and we have this little navigation panel where this allows you to enter all of your information. So first off, let's say we have chapter 1. We can retitle this, which could be what are lash extensions. So maybe I don't want to do that. Instead, I just want to, name it introduction, so I can introduce the topics, introduce the basic information, and then you can click on add lesson. So I'm going to click on save over here and click on add lesson. Now you can make multiple different types of lessons. You can have a video lesson, a text lesson, a downloadable file lesson, or you can have a multimedia lesson, you can have a live Zoom meeting, a presentation, audio, PDF, and you can also create quizzes to test your students. So let's say that the first one is a text lesson or a presentation lesson, and that is just it. I just want to add a basic text lesson. And from here, my students will be able to view the first lesson, which is introduction lesson. Then I can click on add lesson. And then let's say that the second lesson is going to be a video, and then you can upload your video, so on and so forth. And you're going to build upon your first chapter. Usually you can break down a larger topic. So whatever larger topic you have, whatever is the introduction, obviously that's going to be the first chapter. The second chapter could be about the first hurdle that they will face in learning that item. The third chapter could be the second hurdle, so on and so forth. And then the last chapter is usually the conclusion or, testing. So now moving forward, you just want to break down whatever course or whatever you are teaching into smaller chunks. Just take whatever course you are teaching and then break that down into chunks, and then you can enter those chapters. So we have our first chapter like this. So we have our first chapter, and then you can go on ahead and enter, just click on add chapter over here to add your second chapter, which might be types of lashes or where to source products. So because the first is intro, I'm introducing my students on what kind of products they're using, all the information about the products. The second chapter obviously is referring to where they're going to source their products. Now, after that, you can, depending on the type of quiz you have, if it's more academic related, you can click on add lesson. And then within the lesson, you can, after adding like a learning course, you can choose to enter a exam or assignment or quiz where people can, you can create an assignment like what kind of, find a couple of suppliers, or review those suppliers, so on and so forth. Once you have done that, you're going to click on your bulk importer, and you can add a bunch of different files, PDF, video files, audio files directly from this section. You can leave those empty for when you're just creating your curriculum, and then bulk upload them. After that, you have your settings. So you have your basic course URL, your instructor name, so on and so forth. And after that, you have your drip. So this allows you to create drip schedules where you can schedule where a person is able to access your content instead of being able to access it all together. Then you have your pricing. So you can choose to create a free course or a one-time payment course, and you can click on set up payment from over here to set up your payment settings. So you can enter your PayPal or Stripe email wherever you want to receive your payments in. And let's say I want to continue for free. And after that, maybe after purchase. So you're going to click on continue. So after that, if you want to create, upsells or after purchase sales, you have to upgrade to the premium version of Thinkific. But after that, you just have publish, and then you can publish your course to get started with selling courses online on Thinkific. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.